What if you bought the wrong Dyson? What if the model you spend hundreds on is actually the worst one for your home? We bought them all. Every single cordless Dyson vacuum on the market right now. The V8, V10, V11, V12, V15, Gen 5 Detect, and even the new 2025 models. We put them through brutal, real-world tests, pet hair, deep pile carpet, hard floors, and the ultimate battery drain challenge. The results? One vacuum emerged as the undeniable champion, and its identity will absolutely shock you. Stick around for the #1 pick. It might not be what you think. All links to the best deals are in the description below. Let's get into it. Starting at #1. Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. Best overall. During evaluations, Home Care and Cleaning Lab Executive Director Carolyn Forte couldn't believe how well she could see the dust and specks lurking in the corners of her stair treads. It automatically increases the suction and speed of the brush roll to match the floor type and amount of dust it senses during cleaning, too. It's also a great pick for allergy sufferers, since the unit has a whole machine filtration system that helps keep allergens from escaping. Like many Dyson stick vacuums, this one comes with a unique hair screw tool attachment that excels at removing pet and other hair from upholstery, car seats, and more, no tangling. Other attachments include a combination wide nozzle/brush tool and a crevice tool. All attachments are easy to swap on and off. For quick touch-ups, the vacuum also converts to a handheld. No matter how you use it, the clear LCD screen shows you everything you need to know, including battery life, the number and sizes of the particles being picked up, and when to replace the filter. Overall, for a cordless stick vacuum, the V15 Detect is on the heavier side at almost 7 pounds, and we wish it would stand up on its own, but all of its cool features make it a really standout choice for household cleaning. #2. Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Best value. Hardly a budget buy, but this is Dyson we're talking about, you have to consider best overall bang for your buck. While upright vacuums are heavier, they can weigh anywhere from 10 to over 20 pounds, and this one is 17.3 pounds. They do the best job of removing ground-in, embedded dirt from carpeting. In tests, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Upright Cleaner proved its prowess. The machine maneuvers exceptionally well on both carpets and hardwood floors, especially given its size, and delivers outstanding cleaning performance. If your home is mostly wall-to-wall carpeting and you don't mind lugging it around, you'll be very happy to have this vacuum at your disposal. Like other Dysons, this vacuum has a dustbin that's easy to remove and clean. It also has that same great anti-tangle motor bar the V15 Detect has to make tackling pet hair less of a dirty job. The detangling technology works to remove hair from the brush as you vacuum. It also boasts auto-adjusting suction and whole machine filtration to trap pet dander and dust. It doesn't have a lift-away feature, when you can detach the canister from the main body to target hard-to-reach areas like baseboards, ceiling fans, drapes, and furniture, but it does have a removable wand that helps tackle those spots. Finally, since this vacuum isn't battery-powered, it's an excellent choice for large floor plans, especially if you have pets. Just make sure you have room to store the bulkier unit. #3. Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum. Best lightweight. You may think you're seeing double, but the Dyson V15, our top overall pick, and the Dyson V12 are different but very similar models. The V12 Detect Slim is a less expensive, smaller, and lighter model that offers similar performance. In our latest test, its suction impressed our lab pros and it aced our performance evaluations for bare floor cleaning, pet hair pickup, and edge cleaning. The cordless stick vacuum has the same innovative laser on the fluffy bare floor roller attachment that shines a light in front of the vacuum to illuminate tiny specks of dust and hair you might otherwise miss. The colorful LCD display shows the amount and size of the particles you're sucking up, plus the run time, power level, and maintenance alerts, like when to change the filter. It also comes with useful attachments, including a unique cone-shaped tool that picks up pet hair and spirals it into the bin without tangling. This vacuum is also a bit lighter than the V15. It weighs just about 5 pounds, so it's a suitable option for those who want to avoid heavy lifting or feel more comfortable using a slimmer model. #4. Dyson Humdinger Handheld Vacuum. Best handheld. Handheld vacuums are ideal for quickly sucking up small messes or getting into tight spaces like corners, under your kitchen cabinets, or in your car. And while some of Dyson's larger models, including the V15 Detect, transform into a handheld, the brand also has a dedicated portable option. This one is cordless and weighs just 2 pounds, a great choice for small spaces that lack storage like apartments. Despite its small footprint, it has plenty of cleaning power. The small but mighty vacuum comes with 3 attachments for various jobs. A worktop tool is designed for hard surfaces like kitchen counters, a combination crevice tool will help you reach all of the most tricky spots, and a hair screw tool sucks up pet and human hair without tangling. It's pricier than the competition, no doubt, but we were pleased by the 25 minutes of consistent suction, longer than many of our top-tested handheld vacuums. It's also equipped with 2 different cleaning modes. Number 5. Dyson 360 Vis Nav. Best robot. Talk about sticker shock, before sales. Dyson claims this robot vacuum is the world's most powerful, with double the suction power of any other robot vacuum, at 65 air watts. It also has an innovative design that directs suction power to edges and corners for a deeper clean alongside baseboards and furniture, something we've found other robots tend to struggle with. In tests, the Dyson also didn't flick debris away from the vacuum path, scattering messes, like some traditional side brushes do. In auto mode, the vacuum automatically cranked up the suction when it encountered a mix of flour and crumbs our tester had embedded in carpet fibers, leaving their floors nearly spotless. It worked just as well on hardwood floors, thanks to its versatile cleaner head, which features an extra-large, soft roller with stiff nylon bristles. This robot vacuum also excels at picking up pet hair and boasts a HEPA filter that is removable and washable, eliminating the need for costly replacements. The dustbin is also larger than average, though it lacks a self-emptying base. Overall, our biggest complaint surrounds runtime. And there you have it. The winner, and our top 5 picks for 2025. Did your Dyson make the cut? To get the best price on any of these models, we've provided direct links to all of them in the video description down below. Those are affiliate links, so it helps support our channel and our insane testing at no extra cost to you. If this review saved you time, money, and confusion, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. Share this video with someone who's about to buy a vacuum. And most importantly, subscribe and tap that bell for our next brutal product showdown. Until next time, keep it clean.